sniper, but I have it running here. I will go fast through options. We have a quantity limit, buy one or buy all. The buy one option, it will limit only to one buy, and after that it will close. Snap methods, there are two methods: your price below percentage floor price. Your price is a fixed bid buy price, and below percentage floor price, it will be automatically changed at each refresh of the page. 50 means 50% under the floor price. So let's say someone list for 0.015, you will buy it automatically. As you can see, the filter here is 0.015, right? Okay, how you make the collection URL? It's very easy. You just go to any collection, make sure you select at least the buy now price, buy now filter. After that you can use any other filter, copy the link, put it in the section, and that's it. But for this example I will use only buy now filter because I already spent some heat on testings. So once we get a listing under 0.02 as we have here, this thread will trigger. 0012, this will trigger, you know, but this is only an example. That's why they have different prices. You can use the same price, so you can snipe 3 times faster for that price. So yeah, it's very fast, it's very powerful. And now I have to change one of the threads price, so I can trigger the buy function to show you that everything's all great. So the cheapest one is 0025. Let me put here 54, let's say. And now on the refresh page, it will buy the listing. So 0025, we have one item, goes to the listing, it will press the buy button, Metamask will show up, it will confirm, and boom, it was bought in less than 5 seconds, I think. Now it should stop. Okay, it stopped. I will go into my account and show you the snipe. So profile, okay, oh, just confirm. So yeah, as you can see, I bought another 2